given I'm always looking for something interesting to run, and given that a lot of 2-foot narrow gauge railways out in the real world use all manner and all sorts of strange equipment they've cobbled together often. You know, I started with experimenting with this American Flyer railcar from the 1930s. Given my never-ending quest to try new things, enter Marx. This particular one was produced somewhere in 1936 to 1938. When you watch the video, just listen to the sound of this thing going, the jingle jangle. This one was produced anywhere between 1953 and 1972.
So it's an iPhone. Very nice, very nice, very.
I think these little Marx Gondolas would look awesome behind my Mamod Mk. And for those of you who like valve and wheel action, very cool. All of this fun on something just this big. These little Marx wagons sure do work well. They look good in the 16mm scale as very small, sort of slate wagony kind of things. Of course, they're old metal, lithographed. I wouldn't want to repaint them, but it's tempting. On second thought, you know, I just like them painted that as they are. Nice little historic pieces. This is the life. I put the metal chain coupler in between there just for looks, but really obviously I can just use the tabs. Well, as usual, thanks for watching. Stay safe. Get out, enjoy your hobbies.